Have you ever wondered what types of inventory businesses manage? Let's dive into the 4 types of inventory. The first type is raw materials. These are the basic materials that are used to make a product. The second type is work-in-progress inventory. This includes unfinished products that are still in the production process. The third type is finished goods inventory. These are the final products that are ready to be sold. The fourth type is maintenance, repair, and operating inventory. These are the materials and supplies that are used to maintain the production process. Effective inventory management is crucial for businesses. It helps to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. For example, a restaurant that manages its food inventory well can reduce waste and ensure that customers receive fresh food.